Welcome back to another episode of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm your host, Susie Selleck, here today near Olean, Indiana, and I'm here at the Cavehill Steel Through Truss Bridge. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. Located in a deep valley, just 1 mile from Olean, Indiana, is the Cavehill Road Steel Through Truss Bridge. Built in 1948, this single-lane Parker Truss Bridge replaced a 3-span stone arch bridge that stood at this location. The bridge was constructed in 1913, and the east span partially collapsed on July 12, 1947. The county commissioners dynamited the remaining 2 spans later that same day. The current bridge was built in 1948 by the Dean brothers for $37,183.04. Engraved on the west concrete abutment is the date January 17, 1949. The bridge is 175 feet long and spans Laughery Creek. This is the only steel-through truss bridge still in use in Ripley County, outlasting at least 6 other steel truss bridges, including Hughes Ford Bridge in Jefferson Proving Ground, the Laughery Creek Bridge near Ballstown, the Main Street Overpass in Batesville, the Reyker Cloud Bridge in Jefferson Proving Ground, and the Ripley Creek-Delaware Road Bridge. Thank you for watching another episode of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm your host, Susie Selleck, right near Olean, Indiana. Hope you enjoyed your time with us today here at the Cavehill Steel Through Truss Bridge and learned a little something. Remember, travel slowly and stop often. Bye for now.